Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got in the coolest trailer. This is a 8.5 by 24, one of our Rocky Mountain packages. This is an off-road trailer. It does give you about 4 more additional inches of ground clearance, and this one has the benefit of spread torsion axles as well. So this is such an amazing setup for getting some more ground clearance, for traveling, and just all around use. This one is again 8.5 24 in a matte black Blackout package. It does have the thicker aluminum skin on it. Nice big extended tongue. This is going to give you guys a better turning radius by having this nice big long tongue. You do have a heavy duty front coupler on the front as well, heavy duty frame, and a generator box with the generator platform. Side door has a window in it, does have the RV lock and cam bar. We did add some additional windows to this unit. You also have the party lights off the side, exterior GFI outlet, 5,200 pound again spread torsion axles, and again you do have the extra ground clearance. It does have the 3 to 4 inch lift on this unit as well. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back so you guys can have that extra stability when you're loading and unloading. This is set up to haul a car if needed. You do have the weight capacity in the ramp door and the floor. Dual transition flaps, so you've got a nice easy roll in and out of here, plus a dovetail in the back, again great for lower profile cars. This is also going to be an amazing UTV trailer. Load lights off the back so you guys can see what you're doing at night. You also have the nice big awning door / escape door off the side so you guys can pull your vehicles in and out of here, or your UTVs in and out of here, and jump out through that escape hatch right there through your awning door. It's a nice feature. This does have the performance Nudo floor with dry maxx in it, like you guys find in all of our off-road trailers, just simply because this is one of the most durable floors that we can find. Now you also have recessed E-track in the floor, so it's really nice when it's recessed down in there. It's nice and flush with the floor. It gives it a beautiful surface. 7-foot interior height, insulated walls and ceiling in here with the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Awesome light setup in here as well. We've got 4 puck lights off each side, so plenty of light with those. But then you also have 4 4-foot LEDs recessed up here in the ceiling as well. So tons of light if needed, if you guys need to pull something in here and work on it. Max air roof vent here in the back, plus you've got an AC unit with a heat strip up front here, so you can heat and cool this trailer as well. Step coming in and out of that side door. There's the back side of that window. Does have a screen in it, as well as the other 18 by 44s that you guys are looking at right here. So you've got 4 18 by 44s, and then the little one in the side door. And then you also have awesome matte black upper and lower cabinets to match the outside. These look so good in person. Gives you a nice big workspace with some outlets there as well. If you guys want to cook up there, whatever you're going to do with the trailer. Inside the cabinet, you've got your nice 30 amp box with cord. You can take that right through the floor right there. Plug into a generator on the tongue that you guys provide. This does not come with a generator. And that's going to bring 110 power into the trailer. So that right there is going to run your AC unit with a heat strip. It's also going to run these 4-foot LEDs in the trailer. That's all your 110, as well as outlets. It looks like there's 4 inside, 1 outside outlet. Now, let's get these on here so you guys can see. It's also equipped with a battery and a battery box and a battery charger. And that's awesome because that runs your puck lights. So you guys can see you've got these lights on inside off the battery. It also runs the spotlights off the back and the party lights off the side. So you guys don't have to be plugged into a generator or a truck to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer, which is awesome. I love that feature. 3-year factory warranty with this unit. I believe it weighs 4,500 pounds. It's going to give you about a 5,500 pound payload capacity. And again, awesome setup. It's loaded up, ready to go, plus extra ground clearance. Plus you've got the torsion spread axles to cut down on wagging and swaying. So love this trailer, love this setup. Give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. You guys can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com. Again, it's getmytrailer.com. And be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube as we bring out cool new products just like this one all the time.